Today we start Excel Expert. This is lesson 1, the first lesson, applying custom number formats. So this is a document you should have opened up. It says with destination profiles numeric open, and you can see right here, here's the name of it, so we have the right document open. Select cells B7 through E8. So B7 through E8, those cells. On the Home tab of the number group, click the Number Format dialog box launcher. That's this one right here. We're going to click that a lot in this lesson. Select the Number tab, which it's already selected right here. In the Category section, click Number. Reduce the decimal place values to 0. So click right here twice. Use the 1000 comma separator, and then click OK. You can see that it added a comma to those, and there's no decimal places. Select B13 through E13, this row right here. Click the Number Format dialog box launcher, number group, still there. In the Category section, click Custom. So at the bottom right here, click Custom. And in the Type section, click hashtag, comma, hashtag, hashtag 0, which is the fourth from the top. You can see right now here it shows you a sample of what your number looks like. So when I go down 1, 2, 3, 4 to this one, when I click that, you can see that it changed it. And then click OK. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select B15 to E15. B15 to E15. Open up the dialog box launcher again. In the Category section, click Custom. And in the Type section, we're going to click the 7th from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one that says red here. So it's going to color, I think it's the negative numbers. You can see that the negative numbers are colored in red. Mark that as answer. Go to the next one. With those cells still highlighted, open up the dialog box launcher again. Click the Custom Category. We're going to change the instructions in this text box to, and instead of typing all of that, in order to make sure I get it right, I'm going to do Control C. I'm going to go up here and Control V, and then click OK. And you can click away from it to deselect it. You can see that it added the blue to the positive numbers. Select D15. Open up the dialog box launcher. Notice a new format created earlier has been added to the bottom of the list. So you see right here on the bottom, that's the formatting we just added to it. Now we're going to add the text M or FT to the numbers in row 15. Because these cell formats have both positive and negative, you must add the text to both. So in the type text, we're going to change this, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to, well, Control C. Click OK, and you can see that it put FT at the end of it. So mark that as answer. Go to the next one. Select B15 through C15. Dialog box. Click the Type text box, or in the Type text box, we're going to change the format to blue. I think we're just adding this M. So click at the end, hit a space, quotation mark, M, quotation mark. Click OK. You can see that it added an M to the end of that. Let me undo what I did. Because I didn't do it right. Let me try this again. Highlight those two cells, because we got to put an M right here in the blue. as well, and I didn't do that. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back up here. And now you see that I've got those correct. And next it says in E15, select the number format dialog box, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy this. Change it here. I think I got an extra space here. I'm going to take that out. Then click OK. Change several other cells containing numeric values to the following values. Alright, so B7 and C7. Open up the dialog box. And we're going to click on custom, and we're going to add square kilometers. Click OK. You see that it added to those. D7, and we're going to change this one to square miles. So space SQ MI quotation mark. E7, and we're going to make that square kilometers. Custom KM. Click OK. B13 to C13. We'll have an M on it. Click OK. D13 will be feet. Adding feet to the end of it. Click OK. And E13, we're putting an M at the end of that. Click OK. Worksheet should appear similar to the following. So I'm looking, and I think I got all mine correct. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 4 green checks. So this completes applying custom number formats.